We are going to see laws of exponents. With rational numbers. First law, a upon b raised to the power n into a upon b raised to the power n. It will become a upon b raised to the power m plus n. Let us take an example. 2 upon 3 raised to the power 5 into 2 upon 3 raised to the power 4. It will become 2 upon 3 raised to the power 5 plus 4. 2 upon 3 raised to the power 9. We have added power since bases are same and there is sign of multiplication here. We will see second law. A upon b raised to the power n divided a upon b raised to the power n. It will become a upon b raised to the power m minus n. Let us take an example. 5 upon 7 raised to the power 9 divided 5 upon 7 raised to the power 7. It will become 5 upon 7 raised to the power 9 minus 7. Means 5 upon 7 raised to the power 2. Let us see third law. Third law, rational number a upon b raised to the power minus n will become b upon a raised to the power plus n. Let us see an example. 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 6. It will become 3 upon 2 raised to the power plus 6. Fourth law. A upon b raised to the power m whole raised to the power n. Then these two powers will get multiplied. A upon b m into n. mn we will get. Let us take an example. 5 upon 6 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 3. Then these two powers will get multiplied and it will become 5 upon 6 raised to the power 2 3 6 here. Next law, that is fifth. Any whole rational number raised to the power 0, non-zero rational number raised to the power 0 will get 1. 2 upon 9 raised to the power 0 will be equal to 1. We are going to see sixth law. A upon b to the power m multiplied c upon d to the power m. Here bases are different but power same and sign multiplication. We will multiply a by b and c by d and we will write m power here. Let us take an example. 2 upon 3 to the power 6 into 9 upon 8 raised to the power 6. We have different bases. Sign multiplication, same power. We will write it like this: 2 upon 3 into 9 upon 8 whole raised to the power 6. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. Means 3 upon 4 raised to the power 6. Let us see seventh law. According to this, a upon b raised to the power m divided c upon d raised to the power n then it will become a upon b divided c upon d raised to the power n. Let us take an example to understand this. 2 upon 9 raised to the power 5 divided 4 upon 27 raised to the power 5. Here it will become 2 upon 9 divided 4 upon 27 raised to the power 5. Now we will solve this. 2 upon 9. We will change this division sign into multiplication and write reciprocal of this 27 upon 4 whole raised to the power 5. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 9 1 ja, 9 3 ja. It will become 3 upon 2 whole raised to the power 5. In this way we have seen 7 laws here. Now we will solve some questions based on these laws. Let us take an example. 7 upon 9 whole raised to the power minus 2 into 3 upon 7 raised to the power minus 3 into 2 upon 7 raised to the power 0. Now we have negative sign here. We will write reciprocal of this using law. A upon b raised to the power minus m is equal to b upon a raised to the power plus m. It will become 9 upon 7 raised to the power 2, 7 upon 3 raised to the power 3. Into, it will become 1 since this raised to the power 0. Now, we have different bases, so we cannot apply that law here. We will find square of this. It will become 81 upon 49. Here it will become 343, cube of 7 and this 27 into 1. Now 27 1 ja, 27 3 ja, 81. 49 1 ja, 49 3 ja. 3 3 ja, 9 we have got. Answer. Now next question we are going to use law. 5 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1. Since minus 1 power here, it will become 3 upon 5. To the power 1 will be same. 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1. It will also become 3 upon 1 or simply 3 raised to the power 1. Now minus 1 power. We will take the LCM and solve here. LCM we have got 5. Divided by 5, 1, 3 ja, 3. 5 divided by 1, 5 into 3, 15. Minus 1. Here we have minus 12 upon 5 raised to the power minus 1. It will become minus 5 upon 12 raised to the power 1. We cannot write, we can simply write it as minus 5 upon 12. This is our answer. No need to write power 1. Now we are going to find the value of x using the laws. Suppose we have 2 upon 5 minus 7 into 2 upon 5 raised to the power minus 9 is equal to 2 upon 5 raised to the power 4x. Now same basis, sign multiplication here, power will be added. 2 upon 5 minus 7 plus minus 9 is equal to 2 upon 5 raised to the power 4x. Here 2 upon 5 minus 7 plus minus minus 7 minus 9 you can directly add and it will become minus 16. 2 upon 5 raised to the power 4x. Here bases are same, equality sign, then power will be equal. Means 4x will be equal to minus 16. X is equal to minus 16 by 4. X is equal to minus 4. This is our answer. In this way we can use laws of exponent for solving sums.